We're here at the ACS Technology Center and we're showcasing the Kongsberg x24 cutting table. This table is equipped with 2 separate knife stations and a routing head, which allows you to cut a variety of materials. Well, now let's go through an example where we cut a box on this table using a box that we designed in-house. The first step is going to be the size and shape of the box. With that, we're going to use a creasing wheel and a vibra knife. We then took this file and laid it out on a sheet so we could stack as many as possible into our work area. We will now use the camera to identify the placement of the sheet on the table, and then use a creasing wheel to come and crease the bend lines, and a vibra knife to come around the perimeter and cut the boxes out. Once the box is cut, we're going to remove it from the table and fold it up. Because of the versatility of this machine, once we've completed this operation, transitioning over to the foam is no big deal. Once we have the foam loaded onto the table, we can then use our router and our vibra knife to pocket down the material and then cut the perimeter so we get a nice clean edge. With our boxes folded and our foam cut, we have the perfect home for our 3D printed Bristol Bay boats. ACS as a company has been around for over a decade, and in that time we have really perfected the art of taking care of clients. Our clients repeatedly come back to us for second, third, and even fourth machines because they know when they need service and support, ACS is always here for them.